Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make this creamy, delicious garlic Parmesan chicken. This recipe is the perfect soul food. It's very comforting, it's really good, and super easy to make. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. I went ahead and trimmed off a good amount of the fat on the chicken. Make sure you do that, otherwise the recipe will come out oily. We're going to season the chicken with some salt, black pepper, and oregano. I'm going to leave all the measurements in the description box. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil all over your chicken and toss everything together. Make sure the chicken is very well coated in the spices. Once the chicken is very well coated, we're going to start building flavor by searing the chicken. So I have my pan heated up over medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil. Once the oil gets very hot, I'm going to add the chicken. We're going to cook the chicken for 5 minutes on one side. Turn them over and let them cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. We want the chicken to have a nice golden brown color, just like these. It's going to add so much flavor. Once your chicken has finished cooking, make sure they have an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit because that's the safest temperature for fully cooked chicken. Go ahead and take the chicken out of the pan and set them aside for later. Next, in the same pan, we're going to cook some cut up bacon. Go ahead and cook the bacon until all the fat is rendered and it has turned golden brown. Take the bacon out of the pan and set aside for later. Next, you're going to use a paper towel to absorb half of the fat from the bacon. We only need a little bit. On medium heat, we're going to add some butter to the pan and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add some minced garlic, minced onion, and some red pepper flakes, dried rosemary, and dried thyme. Go ahead and saute these for about 2 minutes to release their flavors. Make sure you stir this consistently, that way you don't burn your garlic, okay guys? Once this has cooked, in order to deglaze the pan, we're going to add some white wine. The wine is going to lift all the brown bits on the bottom of the pan and add a tantalizing flavor to the recipe. Next, we're going to add some half and half. You can use a mixture of heavy cream and whole milk. We're also adding some Parmesan cheese, some Dijon mustard, and 1 little chicken bouillon cube. Go ahead and mix everything in and let the sauce cook for about 2 minutes on medium heat to thicken up a little. Then we're going to add some freshly chopped baby spinach. Mix that in and let it cook until the spinach wilts down. Then we're going to add the seared chicken. I'm sprinkling the cooked bacon all over the chicken. Last, we're going to baste the chicken with that delicious creamy sauce. Let everything cook for about 2 more minutes just to allow the chicken to heat through, and we are all done. Go ahead and turn off your heat, and the longer this sits, the thicker the sauce gets. This looks so good, the aroma is insane. You can serve this over mashed potatoes, rice, or egg noodles. The chicken came out so juicy and tender, and that creamy sauce with the bacon is a match made in heaven. It's so delicious. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.